What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website. Coming in live at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, 8:30 Central here in Wisconsin. This is the 2012 Topps Inception football break. Rosters in order by eBay user ID. And here's the box for tonight. Alright, here we go. And this one is one pack, 7 cards, 2 base cards, 2 parallels that are numbered, and 3 hits. Alright, good luck, everybody. Alright, up first for the Carolina Panthers, Cam Newton. Very cool looking card. These come on the nice thick print stack. Panthers tonight are going to Dissinen. That's David D. I don't know exactly how to pronounce your eBay name there, David, but very nice hit. Up next for the Bears, Jay Cutler. Bears tonight are going to Stuart Gophers 55385. Nice hit. Blue parallel for the Minnesota Vikings, Percy Harvin. This one numbered 95 out of 252. Tough to see that one on the print there. The Vikings also going to Stuart Gophers 55385. Up next for the Chicago Bears, Matt Forte, red parallel. This one numbered 26 out of 50. And Bears going to Stuart Gophers 55385. 3 in a row. I guess that happens when you buy a fourth of the box. First hit is going to the New Orleans Saints, rookie out of Wisconsin, Nick Toon on card autograph, blue Sharpie. This one is the blue parallel version, numbered 8. Getting old. 85 out of 150. Tough to read that one. Saints tonight are going to FC 1979. Very nice hit. next hit is going to the Seattle Seahawks. Robert Turbin, rookie autograph with a jumbo patch. Very nice two-color with a raised line of stitching there in the navy blue. Very cool looking jumbo patch. And there's the auto with the rookie card insignia. Again, that's Robert Turbin, running back for the Seahawks. Seahawks tonight are going to 41, Mr. Mopar. Very cool card. That's a real thick one. Nice hit. Another pretty one coming up. This one for the Carolina Panthers. Rookie Joe Adams. This looks like a prime patch, numbered 17 out of 25. That one is going to David D as well with the Cam Newton. Very cool looking patch. Nice green parallel hit there. And that is the box. Remember, with the eBay breaks, we're going to send you something whether you got a card or not. Thanks again. If you want to get in one more break tonight, I believe we still have one or two spots left. So get on, get your spots. Otherwise, have a good night. Later, dudes.